Hello world. Today is an episode of B-Rad's Popcat Plumbing. And I'm wearing a pasta strainer on my head today to honor the super flying spaghetti monster. All right. Have you ever wondered why your pipes don't drain right, especially in the wintertime? Well, you have to take them apart and spray them off with a hose pipe. I'm going to show you how. We have buckets up underneath for if it drips when you unscrew the pipes, then it won't get water in your cabinet. And you don't have to shut the water off to the house. You just don't turn the water on the faucets on while you're doing it. So there's no need to shut the water off. All right. I know this is gross, and you probably can't see it, but more up inside into the middle, it's like all clogged up. That's gross. Okay, so I have parts apart, and I think it's better to do it in sections. If you want to just concentrate on the U-shaped parts, you can. But I like to do all the pipes except don't mess with the part that comes from the floor. At least I don't, because it's more intricate and it has parts on it that like prevent the certain smells from the pipes from coming up, and that's what that black thing is on top, and I just don't want to mess all that up. It wouldn't be good. See, it comes from the floor. I wouldn't mess with that part. Okay, so we've ran into a little problem. This piece has a seal, but it wasn't up inside. It was laid up against the pipe there. It was just on the bottom. So I can't get it lined back up correctly, and now my dad's gonna come over and he's gonna fix it, and we'll watch how he puts it back. It's just this piece here. Can I get it? No, it's not gonna fit on that.
that goes like that.
How, if that piece like comes off, how does it hold the pipe in place? That one screw piece that's coming off? Because that's the one I thought the black seal's on. If that's true, then it just lays at the bottom of the... I don't know.
Maybe it's too small, it won't fit on the pipe.
I know, and then it curls up.
It does.
And then it curls up and it won't screw on there right when it's curled up. But then what's screwing it? It don't really screw into place. I mean, it does, but that screw piece don't really even hold it. I don't. Gosh, I wish sinks didn't get clogged up like that. And don't even, your whole sink just fills up when you're...
I don't know where that came from. Because that won't fit under there and it won't fit here.
Yeah, and it just pulls right
No, I
off.
pulled on the wrong one.
But I'm just saying, like, that piece, I don't know.
Turn your water on. See what it does. I don't know where that other piece came from.
It's like it fell from the bottom of that one, but I was looking at the top, and then
That's not leaking.
it's not wet around the screw part there.
No, because it'd be dripping down if it's leaking. No, it's good. I don't know where that went to.
Oh, you just left it off of there? Oh.
Because I don't see where it fits. I don't see where it fits at all. The cage won't screw together with it on there. Oh.
Well, so it should be fine without it?
Yeah. Should be. No flashlight.
All right, so now that's done. Ran into a little hiccup, but it goes to show that if you absolutely cannot get the pipe back on and it don't fit right or work right, then you can just leave the seal off. But we tried to put it where we thought that it went, and I guess if it don't leak, then you're good. I want to show you the thing that came out of it. See, I thought the seal was up against the bottom of that pipe. Anyways. And this is what came out of the pipe. Ugh, gross. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it fell on the ground when I tried to touch it. Well, that concludes B-Rad's Popcats plumbing. And a happy birthday to the super flying spaghetti monster. And we'll see you next time, world.